cup of coffee here. Got my hair slicked back. Got my do done. Well, my do done and my outfit on. And this is what day of the week is this? This is a Friday. So I'm looking forward to watching the Olympics today. Yes. And I'm going to tell you about how I'm saving money on coffee. So, first of all, I had not told y'all that I picked up a part-time job at Starbucks. And I'm learning a lot. And I'm going to tell y'all, when you go to Starbucks, you need to tip the Starbucks people because it's not a simple 1, 2, 3 situation. There's a lot to learn working at Starbucks. There really is. So, anyway, and this coffee is great, okay? So when you work at Starbucks, you get a free bag of coffee like so every week, okay? Every week. And then, of course, you're able to ground the beans up yourself, your way, at Starbucks when you're there. So being that I have a Keurig, I no longer have to buy the store-bought K-cups, you know, the ones that you dispose of. So my husband ordered 2 of these reusable ones. And now that's going to save money on the coffee drinking. And then on top of that, we're drinking much better coffee. So I just did one. And this is the first time doing it. And there's a difference, okay? There's a definite difference. So as I said, I have my hair slicked back. And I put like a little bun on it. And the reason why I'm doing this here lately too is because when I tell you my curls are not performing, they're really not. They're not. And I think it has to do with humidity. I have a couple of customers, because y'all know I do hair, and they have curly hair and their hair is not performing as well either. So, you know, we're having alternative hairstyles. But I'll be glad when they come back because I love for my curls to be pop, pop, popping, as I always say. My husband thinks that's so funny. So, I'm off work today. Don't have to go to Starbucks. I do have some hair to do, so I'll be doing that. And I'm probably going to start, I'm going to make myself a little light breakfast before I go. I got to be at the shop at 11:30, and it is 10:37 right now. So, I'll come back and talk to y'all a little bit later. All right.
Hi, yeah. Looks out of my soul, looks out of my bone. I got a golden body, so I always be the move. If you wanna know me, you gotta spend all night. Swim across the alcohol that you see's a lie. Looks out of my soul, looks out of my body.
Food looks good.
That looks good.
I'll just take it. Come on.
No, I'm fine. Thank you, though. Oh, that looks good. Yeah.
Okay, so as you see here, I'm getting myself together early this August 6th, Thursday morning. We are getting ready to go to the grocery store, get a few items. The cupboards are bare. And yeah, I got to get some food so I can cook. Anyway, as you see, I'm slicking my hair back. My curls are not performing here lately, so I got to just slick it back using Eco Gel to do the little curls on the side. Okay, so this is Joe B's grocery store. Don't know if you've ever heard of it. It is in connection to the larger store HEB. So hopefully you've heard of that. Anyway, Joe B's has groceries for less price. Has this HEB grocery items there, and HEB brands it's just costing a little less. Okay, so made my way back. I am finished grocery shopping. I should say we are, me and my husband. And now we're eating burgers for dinner. We're gonna have burgers and tater tots, cheeseburgers and tater tots. So I'm just getting dinner started. Yep. He eats beef burgers, I eat turkey burgers. So I got the burgers done, on with the tater tot.
Don't hang your head down and cry. Butterfly, you're much too young, too young.
Hello. So we're going to end this vlog by talking about fashion, because you know that is the basis for my channel. Okay, this is a whole nother day, by the way. That is the basis for this channel, and I want to talk to you about this line called Dianu, and I believe it's Dianu. It is African inspired fashion. I saw this dress and it was $99, and I decided to wait until towards the end of the summer to order it, because it would cost less. So anyway, I ended up getting it, and this is with the postage and handling, and I got it for $65. So it was a good deal, right? So as you see in the cutaway, this dress I really do love. They do have a head wrap to go with it, but I did not purchase that. It has pockets, which, amen, I love a good pocket. And the split that's on the side, I could bring it as low or as high as I really wanted to. That you see there, that's where I decided to put it. The shoes that I put with it, let's see. The shoes are by, oh, wrong shoe. So the shoes are by Naturalizer. Yes, by Naturalizer. I am 55. I'm trying to be comfortable when I wear heels. So this is the heel. Okay, this is the heel. And they are definitely comfortable, even though the heel is kind of high, because it's thick, and I've got this support here. It's not hard to walk in. Okay, so as you see also, the bracelet. My sister-in-law, we went to Chicago. My sister-in-law, Linda, got me that bracelet. I do love this bracelet. Don't know where she got it from or who it's made by. All I know is I love it. Okay. And then, last but not least, I will show you the purse. Okay, so this little bag here, I got thrifted. And I love the little clamp on it. You see here? Yeah. And let's see if it says anything on the inside. Yeah, but what it says on the inside, Mars, I'm not even gonna attempt. But I like how it looks here. You see with the animal print on the inside. Yep. And so that is the whole outfit. I did have on some gold earrings. I got those thrifted. They were clip-ons, not these, but the gold ones that I have on in there. But anyway, I love the outfit. The fabric is good. I've gotten one other thing there too that I have not shown y'all. Well, if you go back and watch the video of the Gemini birthday, you will see a short set that I had on, and that was from Dianu. Okay, but anyway, and until next time, if you have not yet subscribed or liked the video, please take the time now to do so, and please, by all means, share with a friend. Bye-bye.